Hello, my friends. This is Miss Powell, and I'm back to read with you all again. We are doing another sight word, which is in green. One of our new words this week is the word had. We are going to practice reading sentences with the word had. Please make sure that you are using your tracking finger, which means we're going to use our index finger to point to the words as we are reading them. Remember, when we read, we go from left to right, from the top to the bottom. We are learning sight words. One of our words is had, so that when we see them with our eyes, we don't have to think about what the word is. We don't have to sound it out or try to decode it. We just look at it and we know it's the word had. So we're going to put that word in our brain because it's something new for us. So let's get started. Pointing to the first word here, I want you to make sure your finger is there too. I had a sandwich in my lunchbox. Your turn. All right, good job. So now I'm going to move my finger down and to the left to the beginning of the next sentence. Here we go. Put your finger there and read with me. It had pickles and tomatoes on it. Your turn. All right, our last sentence down and to the left, and we're going to point to the first word here. I had a good lunch. Your turn. All right, guys, remember to practice these sentences. When you're ready, go to Seesaw, record yourself reading these 3 sentences for your teacher. I can't wait to read with you again. Have a wonderful day.